Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Excel 2016 or Office 365, enable the Developer tab and allow macros. This lets you run simple VBA or add-ins. Next, create a clean data column with each URL or text string and a header. Once done, save the workbook as a macro-enabled file. XLSM, and position your cursor where the first QR image will go. Make sure your image column is adjacent so automation can place codes inline. Now you execute the core process. Call a QR generator service or run a VBA routine that builds QR image URLs from your data. If using VBA, loop through each row, request the QR PNG at a chosen size, and download it into a temporary folder. If using image or Power Query with Excel 365, construct the API URL and insert it directly. Make sure to size each image to the target cell. Use cell height/width calculations so codes remain square and scannable. Once a batch completes, verify a few sample scans. Finish by anchoring images to cells, adjusting print scaling to 100% and confirming codes are crisp. If you need distribution, export the sheet or selected range as a PDF or save images externally. Make sure to test scanning on a phone for real-world verification. If something goes wrong, check the API key or rate limits, ensure URLs are properly URL encoded, and confirm Excel macro security allows your script to run. Often the fix is toggling Trust Center settings and rerunning the tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.